Hi everyone, my name is Ivy Gravik. So this is another day for another tutorial I'm going to share with you today. Introduction to PixelLab. So some of you messaged me that you don't know how to use PixelLab. So that's why I'm doing this video for beginner. So if you are a beginner or you don't know how to use PixelLab, and also if you know how to use it before, so there are some things I'm going to explain here. So just sit down and let's watch. Before I go, you know what I'm going to do. Click on subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop another video, you are going to notify immediately. So yeah, you can go to Play Store, go and download PixelLab, or click the description button. You see a description button, you see a link to download PixelLab. Click on it and go and download it. Yeah, this is the PixelLab. Let me show you the interface of it. So this is PixelLab. Let me show you. So this is PixelLab here. You see. So this is the app. Just download it and open it. So I have opened my own. I have opened it. So this is what the interface of the app. So for the first beginner, if you open it, this is how it's going to show. It's going to look. So now, without wasting a lot of time, let's get started. So let's start from this my project here. So my project means your work you have done, like a project. If you have complete design your work here, so you can save it in my project so that you not be able to lose it. So this is where my project, this is how my project work. So how can you save your work? How can you save your work as my project, or how to save it to your gallery? Let me show you. So just click here, this place here. You see this place here, click it. After I click it, so you're going to show save as project and save as image. So if you want to save it as project, just click as project. If you want to save it as image, click as image. So after I save it as image, you're going to show in your in your photo home. So that's how in my project work. So this is all the background Pixellab gave you. So if you like it, you can use it. So to create your own background, let me kindly show you. This is how to create your background. Click on this place here, you see, and click on color. So you can use any color. If you get the color, you can use it. So just click on this plus sign and start using it here. So this is another topic alone. I'm going to show you how to create a background. So you can choose your color here. Let me choose white or black, anyone. So let me choose white. I like white here. So yeah, that is how it's go. So click on this A. Let's start from this A here. So now quote means if you want to design a code design, you want to design a code design, you can, there's a lot of codes Pixellab give you. Let me click it. Yeah, this is a lot of codes. So you can use it, just choose one and use it for your code design. There is a lot of quotes here: motivational quotes, success quotes, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, and absolute. So this is what a lot of quotes you can use. So go back. For the test here, for test, we want to add anything here. So from test, like, let me click it. After I click the test and click and edit, so can you write anything here, like introduction to PixelLab. So this is how to add test. Delete means, so if any element or anything you want to delete in the PixelLab, just select that thing. For example, I want to delete this student to PixelLab. So I select it and I click on delete. It's going to delete immediately. Let me bring it back. To bring it back, this how maybe you mistakenly delete something in this space, in this interface. So just this is how to bring it back. Let me show you. Click here. You see, click here. So you see, after I click it, so it bring the word the introduction of Pixellab back. So copy means if anything you want to copy here, for example, I copy. So I copy this introduction to Pixellab. So that's how it work. To front means maybe this introduction to Pixellab is at the back of a something. So if you want to bring it to front, click to front, or maybe this introduction to Pixellab is at the front of something, you want to bring it to the back, just click to the back. So position maybe is something like you want to shift. So using this your hand, you start using your hand, maybe you want to shift it to the left, right, you can increase it. So that's how it works. So for the relative position, so by using this one, just to be is a waste time. So you see it's low, so just use this one and bring it down. You want to bring it down or left or in the middle or shift, so anyone you like. Just that's how that one work. Size means maybe increase the size of the thing. So let's just Pixellab. You see, so panding. So for example, let me show you this example of this one. You see, this Pixellab here. The A and B, they are not showing again. So if you have this problem, so this is how you can do it. Just come back to this, go to this panding and increase it. So you're going to show. So that's how it work. For the color maybe you want to change your color. There's a lot of color you can use, so just choose one you are like. For example, let me choose this one. So you see, texture means, let me show you the example of this one. Let me make one image. You see how it's going to work. It's going to reflect in that introduction to PixelLab. See how it's going to reflect. Yeah, you see how that image reflects in the introduction to PixelLab. So that is how textures work. Let me delete it back, I don't need it. So for the opacity means maybe you want to make the introduction to Pixellab not show again, you can reduce it, or want to make it to show small. So this is how it work. Let me cancel it, I don't need it. Rotate means maybe you want to rotate the introduction to Pixellab or anything in this artboard. So you can use it like this. See, this is how it work. So front, so that a lot of front Pixellab give you. This is a front Pixellab give you. You can change this, so if you like. So this is my front. I download this one by myself, so I import it. So I have a video that I explain how to download and install front in Pixellab. So just search for it. The link for this video is going to be in the description button. Click on it. So go and watch it, how to download and install front in Pixellab. So there's a lot of fronts you can use. So let me use my own font. For example, you see this, you see the introduction of Pixellab change when I change the font. You see, so you see the font change. So that is how it work. That's how it work. So where do you stop? So for the B style here, click on style. Maybe you want to make this introduction of Pixellab to be bold enough. Just click on P. So it's going to be bold. Or you want to make it italic, click on I. You're going to see the effect. Or you want to give it a line, just click on U. Sorry. So click on U. So see a line. So if you want to cancel anything, you want to cancel the bone, italic, and the line, just click on T here. So everything is going to cancel immediately. So cancel. So for the curve, we want to make this to be curve. You see how you see it now. So that's how it work. For the background, I want to give this into a background. Just enable this one and give it any background you like. So mark it. You see. So for the aligning here, maybe for example, let me show you the example of it. So maybe this introduction to Pixellab here. You see, let me click on the first one here. Let me click on the second one. You see the effect. That introduction to Pixellab dey socialize themselves straightforward. For example, let me click the last one here. You see there, this come to the word to the right, and this one come to the left here, and this come to the middle. That's how it work. So for the spacing, let me increase it. Let's see. You see the all these letters there, they give the each of one they say each in a space. So that's how it work. So line spacing, you see. So that's how it does not work also. Stroke, let me give a stroke. So that's how the stroke work. So just be increasing it. So to certify. Shadow, I'm not giving introduction to the better shadow. I'm giving a shadow here. See, so that's how it work. Emboss, see the effect the emboss give the introduction to Pixellab. See the effect. So that would how the what the emboss work. Perspective, let me you see the yeah, come and see the effect of this perspective. Let me use my hand. You are going to use your hand to be doing it like this. See, so this is how the perspective work. Maybe you want to give your design a little effect to make it very beautiful. So just make use of this perspective. So let me cancel it. I don't need it. So 3D rotate, I want to rotate this. See, this is how the 3D rotate to work. You see, so cancel it. I don't need it. 3D test, maybe you want to give the introduction to a very 3D test. You see, just click on this oblique and you can redo this spaces so that and go here and centralize it. You see now, yeah, consider 3D shadow. I'm gonna give you a shadow. See, just using these tools to make it very amazing. So reflect, I want to make this reflect. So you see, so that's how all for this a. Let me click on this one here. So for this one here, maybe click on let's see what's in this sticker. So there's a lot of things you can use. Maybe you can make use of this one also. So if you like, so just click on it and see how it work for the emoji. Sorry. So the import means, so if you want to import anything in this design, for example, let me import something. Click on import. Click on import. So first let me import some design here. So let me import this. Just click on it. After I click on it, it's going to show here. So just mark it here. So you see how I import this logo for the icon of PIXELLAB. So that's how it works. So you can make any change here. So just make it very beautiful. For the color filter here, I have not explained it. So click on color filter. I want to change the color of this PIXELLAB. So just be using this one, these tools. So you can change the color. So I don't want to change the color. That's for the color filter. Yeah, we have not explained it. For the erase color here, you can make use of erase color. So just enable it and do some effect. So it's another topic alone. So make of this one. I think I have two with that one. So for this one here, so we want to make the background is transparent. So I want to change the background. So I have told you already how to use this one. How to use the background. So that's how the background works. Transparency. We want to make the background transparent. We want to save your work in transparency. We should just click on transfer everything. All the color is going to be disappear. So everything here must be in transparency. So that is how that's one. But let me change it to white back. So image size, I want to size your image, all the backgrounds, I want to size it. So it's 1:1 So this is the size of the image, the width and the height. So color image means there's a lot of image. It's what I give you. So you can make use of it. their background. Okay, so from gallery you want to choose your image from gallery, you want to camera your anything you want to use in this video. So for this one, I can this the effect. You can make sure of this one first. And let me show you how to use this one now. So let me enable this one. You see the effect this one gives you. You can change the color or anyone you like. So you see the effect this one gives you. Just increase it here. Reduce it small. So there's a lot of effects you can use in this Pixellab. Let me enable this one. You see the effect. See the effect. So I'll just use this one for my design. So like the effect very well. So just come back here and make use of these tools. You will be able to understand it. So the practice. So make sure you practice it. That's how you are going to know this. The bright one, the brightness. So yeah. So I explained all these things. Yeah, I've explained it. So let's go back to the all this one here, or the up one. So let me click on this one here. So click here, these three dots here you are seeing. So click here, that click here. So use image from background. Maybe you want to use your image from background, can click this here, full screen. Maybe you want to all these you want to use it. Let me click it. You see, so all these things, all the my project, everything disappear. So we want to use the full screen. So let me back to this place here. So now export, want to use image from your from camera. So maybe you want to use as image you want to use, maybe you want to use a child image. So for not export or go and download, you can capture your chair, or you can capture your what, any chair in your own passage. So just use your camera to capture it. So for export image, maybe you want to export your image. I've already told you how to export image. So they are the same thing. So you can click here and click on export image. Image size, maybe you want to insert your image or your background, and this one contact, or you can contact, maybe you have any problem with this Pixellab, you can contact them and report the what your problem. Tutorial, so Pixellab give a tutorial on this. Click on tutorial and see how you can use Pixellab. So I think going to direct to YouTube also. So remove ad, maybe you want to remove ad. I think there are payments with this. You cover up to save. So maybe there is a design you forgot to save, so you want to recover the side the design back. Just click on recover see and look for the date you design that thing. So you're going to what, we're going to give you. So back, open PL file. I'm going to give you how to import PLP file to the Pixellab, and this is your own about this app and assist. So back, so this is the for this one here. So it's a code I have told you about. So it's a code. Let me click it. You see, so it's a code design, it's a code here. So go back. So for this one here, you see it's a share button. A share, maybe you want to share or you want to save your work, click on it, it's going to show you. So for this one, I've already told you this one save as project and save as image. So for this plus sign here, so text currency date, sticker shape, you want to create a shape from gallery or draw anything in this artboard, just click on it, it's going to show. So for this one, I've already told you how this one work here. This one I've already told how it work. So this is how it, let me show you again. Maybe I delete this Pixellab, I delete it. If I want to bring it back, just click this one, going to back. So for this one, you want to zoom anything here, so you can click on zoom button. So I think it's 100% already. So it says zoom button. For this one, you want to centralize your anything, want to make anything here to be straight, just make use of this one. So that's how it work. Just make use of this one. So for this one here, so you want to all the your layer, everything you have designed, all your imports is going to be here. So maybe you want to select this one, want to do anything here, so it's going to be here. So yeah, I think you understand everything I've been saying. So thank you. But do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the screen button. So and also give it a like so that many people can see it, and also make sure you share it to your followers, share it to your friend, so those can also benefit from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you.